How to turn on data roaming on any iPhone. Start on the home screen, then tap on Settings to open it. In Settings, scroll if needed and tap on Mobile Service. On the Mobile Service screen, turn on the mobile data switch as shown. Then, tap on Mobile Data Options to view additional controls. Locate data roaming and tap on the switch to turn it on. Tap on Turn on Data Roaming again to confirm. The switch slides to the right and changes color, confirming that roaming data is enabled. This setting allows your iPhone to use mobile data while traveling internationally or outside your home network. The status bar continues to show your signal and carrier name while this setting is active. You can now navigate away at any time and the data roaming state will remain on. Following these steps, you can easily turn on data roaming on any iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.